You don't even touch Opus anymore? You're just Fable 5 all day? Wow, bro. That's some crazy shit. Honestly, I don't know how to feel about that. How do I install it? I'm just gonna ask AI because she's sitting right here. She knows everything. Install this plugin for me, duh. Gosh, dude. Is it safe? I'm Moondev. I build trading bots chasing the same edge Jim Simons used to build a net worth of $31 billion. But I believe code is the great equalizer. And these people figured that out. They're real people, real profits, hundreds of them. I'm not asking you to trust me. I'm asking you to trust them. moondev.com/discord. Message anyone. Ask them yourself. Become a friend.